All right, we're just placing our mini graham cracker crusts in our muffin tin. Now I'm gonna bring in my lemon pie filling. This stuff is the best. I have my ice cream scoop. This is the perfect size to fill up these mini pies. Okay, we're doing one big scoop in each of our mini pie crusts, just like so. You can use whatever pie filling you like. I just love the lemon, and I think I have some delicious toppings to go so nicely with this. Okay, let's go ahead and get these filled up super quick so we can enjoy them. All right, let's get that last one. I did end up using 2 cans of this lemon pie filling for 12 mini pies. All right, our next step is to grab some homemade whipped topping in our piping bag, and we are gonna pipe some whipped cream right on top of these. Just a nice small dollop right on top, just like so. You could use Cool Whip if you don't wanna do homemade topping. I just whipped this up with some heavy cream, powdered sugar, and vanilla. So quick, so easy, and it tastes amazing. And you can heat up these little mini pies if you want to, but that is not necessary. I actually like to put them in the fridge and eat them cold because I love a cold lemon pie filling. Now I'm gonna come in with our toppings. Like I said, these toppings would go great with lemon. I'm starting off with a raspberry on this row. Oh my gosh, look at that little pop of color. These are so fun for spring. I'm gonna skip the middle row and go straight to the 3rd row and use more of my raspberries on there. Ooh, that sweetness of the raspberry is gonna go so well with the tart lemon. These are just gonna look so great for Easter or whatever spring event you have. Now, my personal favorite flavor with lemon is blueberries. So I'm gonna do blueberries on the middle row, but you could do whatever fruit you want. You could do a strawberry if you want like a strawberry lemonade thing going on. You could do an apple, a peach, whatever you like, that's it. Now you could pop these in the fridge for like 5 minutes, or you could just eat them now, which is what I'm gonna do. Okay, I'm gonna go for the blueberry, because like I said, favorite flavor combo. You got the pre-made pie crust, pre-made pie filling, a little homemade whipped cream. What's not to love? Woo! Get a little bit of that crust in with that pie filling. Oh my goodness. The perfect bite. I just love that pie filling so much. You guys gotta try these.